Hello everybody, myself Amit Chaudhary, your science teacher. So today we are going to discuss food and health. All of you know that food is essential for our life. So we cannot live without food. So here is the table which shows the component of food. Components of the food. Now these components of the food, along-wise, it is actually known as nutrients. So what is the meaning of the nutrients? Nutrients means these are the some essential food components which actually provide us for a healthy body, for our growing of our body and to do our body functions properly. So for a particular food which helps us to grow, we need some nutrients, and these nutrients are termed as the component of the food. So you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 components. Main components of the foods are carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins, minerals, water and the roughage. So carbohydrates, what kind of food items you can find the carbohydrate? Rice, wheat, fruit juice, cereals, potatoes, you will get the components of carbohydrate. And what is the function of carbohydrate? It gives us energy to do work. Next food component is fat, and the food items which contains fat, nut, butter, oil, ghee, etc. And fat also give us the energy to do work and keep our body warm. Next food component is protein, which you can get from pulses, fish, eggs, cheese, beans, etc. And what is the function of protein? Help us to grow and repair our damaged cells, repairing for our wear and tear of our body cells. Next is the vitamin. And where you can find this vitamin? Green vegetables, any kind of seasonal fruit and sprouts. And what is the function of vitamin? It helps our body to fight against germs or disease. Next is minerals. The food item contains minerals, milk, curd, any green leafy vegetables, whole grains, etc. Function of these minerals: formation of bones, formation of blood and teeth, healthy teeth. Next is that water. You can find out the water in fruit, vegetables, leafy vegetables, milk. Water contains within this kind of food items. And what is the function of water? Regulates our body temperature. Now is the summer season, so you need to drink plenty of water. It regulates our body function. It regulates our metabolism, and it helps to waste removal in the form of urine and in the form of stool. So water is an important nutrients or components of the food. And last but not the least, that is the roughage. You can find out the roughage in case this kind of food item: oat, cereals, barley, whole grains, pulses, etc. And what is the function of that roughage? Remove waste material in the form of stool. Now you remember, this roughage is essential for our food items, to remove our waste material in the form of stool. And if all that nutrients, carbohydrate, fat, protein, vitamin, mineral, water and roughage, this belongs to a particular diet, these are termed as the balanced diet. And we need to eat balanced diet every day. Do not eat the junk food. Eat always the balanced diet food. What is the balanced diet? That all the nutrients are present in the right amount, and it helps us for our energy to give the work. It gives us the energy to do work, and it helps us to grow and repair our damaged cell. So this is, you have to remember different kinds of the food items, okay, and their function. Thank you.